Guys, welcome to the new video again. In this video, we will discuss about, as we said, we will discuss about DFA, NFA without epsilon moves, and NFA with epsilon moves also. Right? So let's start. So what is DFA? Every DFA is NFA. We know that NFA may or may not be DFA. This is the case. All right. So what is the case of NFA? That what is NFA? That if W does not belongs to what we can say NFA, or we can say result belongs to L, then there is no path to final state. Alright, if W belongs to L, then there exists at least one path to final state. Right? This is NFA. But in case of DFA, in both cases, the or we can say in case of DFA, exactly one path case. All right, exactly one path is there. All right. So epsilon epsilon is a Q. This is a DFA, and NFA is Q into sigma epsilon to the power Q. DFA W belongs to exactly one path to non-final, but at least one path or zero or more paths to non-final. Right? Non-final. Here, at least one path to final. For every regular, or we can say unique minimum DFA exists. Right? So every regular language, a unique minimum DFA is exist. That means only one minimum DFA exists for every regular language. For every regular language, one or more minimum NFA can exist. All right. NFA can exist one or more. All right. Minimum NFA also. So DFA by definition is NFA without epsilon moves, and NFA with epsilon moves by definition we can, so by algorithm we can do this, we can transition this also, we can transfer. All right. So DFA is equivalent to NFA also, NFA with epsilon moves. So what we are saying that without without even without even what is saying that without even any input, we can say zero length string, with zero length string we can reach any state. All right, where uh, epsilon move support. All right. So this is how, where if if epsilon accepted, we can do this, or also we can do this also, and or or we can do that. This is final, and if we take A or B, then we go to trap state. This is DFA here, I think. This is DFA. All right. This is NFA. There is no dead state in NFA. No dead state. Right. So yeah. Next is, what is next? next is this, that let's say there is a final state 1, and so DFA NFA without epsilon moves. DFA also that this is epsilon to the cube. 1 comma a is 2, 1 comma b is 2, 1 comma epsilon is where over a final state 2 comma a 2, 2 comma b 2, 2 comma epsilon is where empty is. There is no so let's say this is a comma b. We can also, if we want to show, we can show here, right? So this is what language? A asterisk b language, right? A plus b asterisk. This is NFA with epsilon moves, alright? Okay, so if there is any string, then this is the what? This is also the A plus B, the clean closure of A plus B, and this is also we can see that A epsilon B, and this is what, so this is A clean A asterisk B asterisk. So how would we do that? That's one A, we can accept this also, and B without, and we can accept this also here. This is final, right? So this is A star B star. Okay. So next question is NFA with epsilon moves is one is state one, this is state two, A, B. We can go here, we can go here. So this is A plus B, clean closure of A plus B. If we have two paths also. So this is how we do this. This is also define the A asterisk, B asterisk, asterisk also, because this is the loop here, right? And we also be asterisk, A asterisk, asterisk. So this is how we do this, right? Guys, next question is A, B. So there is no null state here. So this is A star B only. This is NFA without epsilon moves, and this is AB star. This is NFA with epsilon moves, without epsilon moves, right? So this 10 question is A, B. So how can we define that? That A can accept A, B, A can accept, alright? And what it can accept? A, B, A, B, A, B. So this can accept as A plus epsilon, right? But at least A is there. No, no, we can't give the option of A. A should be there minimally. Minimum is A, and AB is there also, right? So A is on the front, yeah, but AB also would be there, alright. We can be on the front. B A A A B A B A. This is how we do that, right? So important question is there, that A and B. So A B we can loop it here, then A again. If there is A, we can loop it BA also, right? So A B A B A. This is also we can do that. We want to cut it from here, right? So let's say this is one, A, 2, and B, right? So we want to cut it. We want to transfer the loop here, right? Of AB. So how will we can do that? A. So we are transferring the loop. Right? So We are transferring from here. BA. Is this the person? We are transferring the loop here. So how could we do that? That here AB. We are taking this here. माई का फोन आ रहा. हेलो. भारती. नमस्ते. कहाँ है रोए? बढ़िया हूँ और हाँ कमर तैयार हूँ. हाँ ये बात है बदलो ये काम क्यों आता है और माँ So guys, welcome back. There is a discussion earlier we had. What discussion was that? There is a fan. Yeah. So if we are shifting the loop from here to here, we are taking loop here. So we will take like this. All right. So AB and AB is here. Then we will end with A. All right. AB star A. This is how. If we are taking loop here, so we will take like this. So what we will take that A and A B A star. Right. This is B A star. This is how we do. If we transform this A and B A star, this is how we do, and ABA BA also. This is how also we can do this. That A is a minimum. This A should be end with A and start should be A. Contain at least one also. This is also important. Alright. So and then in this, how we will do this like this. Let's see. If this is state one, this is A, this is B, and 2, and this is D with loop for C. So if we want to, what is this saying that uh, what string minimum string it will accept this B. All right, B should be there, and what is this is the minimum string it is going to have. All right, so B should be there, then it will can take anything, right? A from. So what we are saying that if you taking loop here, so A is here, right? A, or we can say BD, BD, right? Anytime BD A, then we will take B, and this is final C, right? So this is how we do. BD A can be anytime, and right. So A B C star, where is C star? We are taking this also. So B C star D. So B C star D. This is how we do this, right? So B C star D star B C. Or if we taking this that here, then A star, right? B, and we will do what? C comma, where what we do? D B. D A star B. D A star B, right? So this is how we can transform it, star B, right? So this is will be the, but one more case is there. How we will evaluate this? Let's see. We will evaluate this last case by, let's say, by the example. Uh, Example would be what? Let's see. So this is first state. This is two state. Minimum string is B. So minimum string should be there. V, right? V, right? So A is there, then C is there, all right? So we took here also the loop that B C star D, and here also D A star B. We can do whatever we want, all right? So there is no what we can say restriction on that. This is also the uh, plus B. This will help us uh, building the regular expression, all right? So don't confuse with the regular expression also. So x plus y star is there, z y. Yeah, these all things are there. Y star x. This is z should be there, right? So if we want to cut a middle, delete two. How we will do this? Let's say this is one A, B. This is two. This is A. This is A here, and A also here, and A. What will be the minimum string is here? B A is the minimum, alright? So B A is will be there, but A star also could be in there. So how we will transform the delete this? B A star could be there A, alright? So this is the least thing we should do. But if we are trying to do transform this loop, what we will do is we will do that B A star A. This is how we do, right? That means B A plus is there, all right? So B star A B A plus, we can say this also. So this is A star. This is the this is here, and star should be A star, not B A plus, because this is the here is loop. We can do anything after, and this is 3. Yeah, done. Yes. Delete 2 to A, and A, there are 2. This is NFA. Alright. So B, A, and A. There are 2 paths for it. Right? If you want to delete it here, you delete it. What is the language for this? We can say B star A star B. We can say B A plus right? What is the language for this? A star, B star, and C star. This is a very interesting case because as we see that we can reach by the epsilon, by the asterisk, by this in the sequence, but alright. So NFA with epsilon move. What was that? Epsilon closure state, right? Epsilon closure one. So in this case, what is the closure? By epsilon from where we can reach. So epsilon closure of one, what we can reach two. We can reach obviously one, two, and three. This is only 1, 2, and 3. Epsilon closure of 2. We can reach 2 and 3. 3, 3, and 2. We can reach. Alright. So this is how the closure works. So epsilon closure of Q, the transition of Q comma epsilon, set of all states reachable from state Q without reading any string epsilon. Alright. So 1, 2. 1 comma epsilon is 1 only. Empty. Transition symbol on epsilon. Alright. From 1 there is no transition on epsilon, but there should be extended transition string is 1. From 1 there is path on epsilon path 0 or more sequences of transition. There is one. Alright. Extended transition. This is transition. Alright. So if we are trying to say that this is, so it could be empty set. Alright. But if we are trying to extended transition, we're going epsilon, this will return 1. So this is also the case. The extended transition symbol, you have to remember this. This is very important. So how this works, all right? So 1, 2, and 3. Closure of 1 is 1 and 2. Closure of 2 and 2. And this is how closure works. We will do this. And what is this? 3 of AB. So this is 3. And AB epsilon, what do you mean? A and epsilon B is 2. A is 2. Yeah. So this is how this works. 3 comma AB is there. 3 comma this is 2. And 4 comma AA. This is A. There we can reach 4 obviously. But we also can A, and we can reach here at 3 we can reach. We can reach 1 also. And we can reach where? 2 also. So this is all closure of there. A4, AA1, AA2, and this is how closure works. This is some homework question. So we will not do this, right? So in the word, if number of 0, 1, W is equal to 2 or 1, 0, 1, 2, or this is the, I think, summary after summary, notes, doubts. Valid string in the, right, thank you guys. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much. This is, there are some mosquitoes I am dealing with. We will fuck them with.